Hello friends, in this session we will talk about the relationship in UML. Relationship is a way to tie things together. So I can say it is a connection among the things. Things you know that it can be a structural thing, behavioral thing and grouping things. In UML basically there are four major relationships in object-oriented modeling. First is dependency, next is generalization, next is the association, and last one is the realization. We'll talk about the realization relationship on the design time. So first three relationship we can say is known as the analysis time relationship, and last is the realization. It is the design time relationship. First relationship is association relationship. It is the structural relationship specifying that objects of one thing are connected to the object of other things. For example, in this case, professor wrote a letter or wrote a book. So we having the two classes. First is professor and second is book. So association among these classes are the wrote. The wrote is the association name. Here the two classes are connected with a connection. Name is the wrote. So wrote is the association relationship that are connecting two things, two classes together. Special types of association. Especially we have the two type of association. First is aggregation and next is composition. So aggregation represent the whole part relationship, where a part may be exist without whole class. It means if I destroy the whole class, then the part may be exist. For example, zoo contain animals. So contain is a association, but here the association is a whole part relationship. For example, zoo is a whole class and animal is a part. So I can say animals are part of the zoo, but if I destroy the zoo, animal may exist outside the zoo also. So the animal is a part class. Animal may exist without the existence of the zoo class. So I can say it is the weak association. Next is composition. Composition is a strongest ownership, or it is a strongest form of association, where the part class cannot be exist without the whole. For example, if I destroy the object or the class window, then the frame will be automatically destroyed. So window contains frame and whole class is a window and a part class is a frame class. It means they are representing the strongest ownership between the classes. Next is the dependency. Dependency specify a change in the specification of one thing and may affect other things, but not necessarily reverse. In UML, dependency relationship represented with the help of dotted line and arrowhead. So in example, I can say circle depends on points. We can use the dependency relationship among the use cases also. So the two type of stereotype used in the use cases. First is include, second is the extend. So include is a stereotype that is used on the dependency relationship. Include is a stereotype that say that source use case explicitly incorporates the behavior of another use case at a location specified by the source. For example, Make payment is a use case that includes the validate credit card. It means to fulfill the functionality of make payment, we have to validate the credit card. It means without the validation of the credit card, we cannot complete the functionality of the make payment. So it is the dependency relationship where the nature of the dependency is include. So I can say make payment compulsorily validate the credit card. So include is a compulsory dependency relationship. Next is the extend. Extend says that target use case extend the behavior of source use case. For example, save grade. Save grade is a use case and notify parent is other use case, and notify parent is extending the property, the behavior of source save grade use case. It means if a teacher save grade and a grade assigned to a student is a fail grade, then we can notify or teacher can notify to the parent, to the guardian, otherwise not. It means the notify parent use case come into existence when the fail grade is assigned to a student. So it is the optional case, not necessarily it will perform all the time when the grade will be saved by the teacher. Next, we'll talk about in the next session. Thank you.